Self-sign-up groups are a great way for students to self-organize for projects or other group assignments. This tutorial will go over things you should know about moderating these groups, as well as best practices. The biggest consideration to be made is that as long as self-sign-up is turned on, students can freely switch to any group that is not yet full. This can be problematic for assignments that are graded by group, because a student that changes their group can change the grade received for that assignment. The setting can be turned off by clicking on People in the left navigation menu in your course, going to the group set with self-sign-up group set up, clicking on the menu button and selecting Edit, and unchecking the box next to Allow Self-Sign-Up. Don't forget to press Save. Ideally, self-sign-up groups are created by an OES instructional designer as a part of course creation, design, or revision. This is because students need to be prompted and instructed on how to choose their group for the course, typically through an ungraded assignment. By having an assignment prompting students to choose their group, a due date can be assigned, giving your students a window to make a choice and a date for you to turn off self-sign-up before group work begins. If a student joins the course after you've turned off self-sign-up, or if a student needs to switch groups, remember that you can easily manually add students to groups as long as group work has not yet been submitted. If you want to make changes to groups after group work has been submitted, please reach out to us through the OES Course Assistance form, and we will be more than happy to assist in the change. Thanks.